Hey Google, turn the lights on. Oh, hello little vacuum. How are ya? You suck, by the way. You know, it's fun living in a high-tech home. And if you haven't had a high-tech home this far into the 21st century, what are you waiting for? It's quite easy. You want to know how? Follow me. All right, step into my office, my high-tech office, actually my high-tech home. I am Michael Garfield, the High-Tech Texan, and if you don't have a smart home yet, you need to get one. Now, there's several ways to do it. You actually can listen to my radio show, 950 AM KPRC, long-running High-Tech Texan radio show. Also, you know what? It's a little chilly in here. Don't you think so? Fire on. It's that simple. All you do, high-tech, you listen. Here's another tip. Why don't you come to the Sugarland Home and Garden Show, January 19th and 20th in Stafford, Texas. I have no clue why they call it the Sugarland Home and Garden Show, but it's the 9th annual show, and I'm going to be there that Saturday doing my radio broadcast. Once I get off the radio, I'm going to do a little show and tell with all some cool gadgets so you can learn how to pimp and trick out your home. Be there, $10 for adults, kids 12 and under free, and parking is free. Start the new year off right. Get your home into high-tech shape because you too can do things at the touch of a button, like turn your entire entertainment off and your life out. Man, I am lazy.